Memphis Center, Mirage 350, Foxtrot Golf, 9.5, climbing 15,000, 15,000.
350, Foxtrot Golf, Memphis Roger, climb and maintain, level 230.
Up at 230, Mirage 350, Foxtrot Golf.
Number 171 Hotel Sierra, port cancellation IFR in the air on the ground frequency. Change of advisory approved. I understand you're going to do missed.
2 clicks right. Start looking at the weather, even though we're pretty far away.
Well, start planning.
Yeah, sure.
1 Hotel Sierra Roger.
IFR there, pretty good.
Friendly 2393,
TAF was looking good for Charleston.
Yeah. 666. And you know why it only says 6 and not 10? TAF's terminal aerodrome forecast can only forecast up to 6 statute miles. So P means potentially greater than 6 statute miles.
Yeah.
Visibility. Okay. So on the radio 2, put ATIS. And I'm gonna put tower. Yeah, 1 tower, making it simple, cool. And now, this is gonna be inaccurate, but if I hit view over here, see it says the miles.
73 Tango Lima
right?
contact.
11 and 776.
Approach 120.9er.
View.
So good we were.